Special tool ST48 is required for injector removal. Protective caps are also required when servicing the fuel system to protect sensitive components from debris. Release locking tab on injector connector, then press the button to release the connector. Unscrew the nuts and remove fuel tube from the rail and injection pump. Cap the fuel tube to prevent debris entry. Cap the fuel pump and rail to prevent debris entry. Remove the lockers from the injector or injectors to be removed. Remove the screws. Then remove the fuel rail. Cap the fuel rail to prevent debris entry. Remove the spacers. Using special tool ST48, screw the studs to the cylinder head. Do not tighten the studs at this time. The longer stud is positioned at the front of the engine, and the shorter stud is positioned at the flywheel side of the engine. Retract the injector removal sockets. Then position tool on the studs with number 1 facing the flywheel side of the engine. Secure the studs. Then secure the tool with the provided nuts. Screw the injector removal sockets until aligned with the injectors. The injector electrical connectors need to be aligned with the sockets. Install the lockers to secure the sockets to the injectors. Turn screws to extract the injectors from the cylinder head. Remove the nuts from ST48. Then loosen the studs. Remove the special tool with the injectors attached. Use protective caps on the injectors. Remove the studs from the cylinder head. Remove the lockers, then remove the injectors from the special tool. Use protective caps on the injectors.